Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says orthonitrophenol is. Okay, so इसमें हमें कुछ स्टेटमेंट दिए, हमें बताना है कि ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल के लिए कौन सा स्टेटमेंट यहाँ करेक्ट है. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? वोलेटिलिटी. अगर हम यहाँ देखें चारों स्टेटमेंट, तो यहाँ पर वोलेटाइल नेचर की बात हो रही है, तो हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो गया इसमें? वोलेटिलिटी. So first we write the key concept of this question is key concept of this question is key concept, that is volatility. Okay, volatility. So first we draw the structure of orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. The structure of orthonitrophenol is, this is a benzene ring, double bond, and these benzene ring oxygens are connected at the para position, and these oxygens attach with hydrogens, and these hydrogens form bond with the oxygen, and this is nitrogen, and this nitrogen form bond with the oxygens, and nitrogen forming a double bond with the oxygen. This is the orthonitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol. Okay, so in this orthonitrophenol there is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding. अगर intramolecular hydrogen bonding क्या होती है? जो within the molecules होती है, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं it shows the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding, the boiling point cannot be increased. The boiling point cannot be increased and it is a steam volatile compound. Okay, so this one is a steam volatile compound due to this intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Steam volatile compound. Okay, the next compound is paranitrophenol. So we draw the structure of paranitrophenol. The structure is HO bonded with the benzene ring, bonded with this benzene ring, and nitrogen is attached at the para position and form a double bond with the oxygen and single bond with hydrogen, and these hydrogens connected with the other hydrogen of paranitrophenol molecules. This OH attach at the para position of the another molecules of paranitrophenol, and nitrogen is attached with this para position, and this form double bond with the oxygen, and this form a single bond with this oxygen. Okay, this is a paranitrophenol structure. Paranitrophenol structure, and in this there is a intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed. There is intramolecular intramolecular hydrogen bonding is formed. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. In this, intramolecular means the bonding between the within the molecules, and here paranitrophenol shows the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, that means the hydrogen bonding between the molecules, and this shows the strong hydrogen bonding. Okay, this shows the strong hydrogen bonding, and due to boiling, if we heat it, the boiling point is increases, and the boiling point increase due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding. If we heat the para-nitrophenol, if we heat the para-nitrophenol, the boiling point increases. Okay, and this boiling point increases due to this इंटरमॉलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. अब हम यहाँ पे अपना स्टेटमेंट देख लेते हैं. स्टेटमेंट, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में क्या बोला है? मोर वॉलेटाइल देन द पैरानाइट्रोफिनॉल. यस, द orthonitrophenol's having the intramolecular hydrogen bonding is present, so this orthonitrophenol is more volatile than the paranitrophenol, so this statement is correct. Second statement, less volatile than paranitrophenol. This statement is wrong. Equally volatile as paranitrophenol. This one is also incorrect because the volatility of the orthonitrophenol is greater than the paranitrophenol. Non-volatile. Fourth one is also incorrect. So the correct option is option number 1. Orthonitrophenol is more volatile than the paranitrophenol. So here we write the answer option number 1. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.